is Squiglet. I love to draw a dog, a cat, a mouse, and a whole lot more. So grab your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks and draw along with me. It's fun when you get squiggling. Squiggling! Hello everyone, Squiglet here. Can you guess what I'm pretending to be? I live in the jungle and love bananas. A monkey! Shall we squiggle our own monkey? What sort of line could we use? Let's have a look. It's a curved line. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. We'll start with the top of the monkey's head. We'll need a curved line for that. I love curved lines. Squiggle one with me. Curve up and over. What's yours like? Curve up and over. Now let's squiggle the rest of our monkey's head. A round line all the way round. He'll need 2 eyes. 1, 2. 2 nostrils and a big smiley mouth. We need some more curved lines for his ears. Curve around, then another little curve inside, and do the same for his other ear. Now for our monkey's body. Curve all the way round. A round line for his tummy. 2 arms with wiggly fingers. 1. 2. 2 legs. 1, 2. And of course, a tail. And there's our monkey. Would you like to meet him? Say the magic words with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make our squiggles come alive.
Hello, I'm Hiraldo.
Hello, Hiraldo. I'm Squiglet, and I love to squiggle.
Me too. And guess what? There's an art competition in the jungle today, and the prize is 10 bananas. But I'll never win. I'm not very good at painting.
I'm sure you are, Hiraldo. All you need is something interesting to paint. Let's go and see what we can find. Shall we squiggle Hiraldo's jungle? Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling! Let's start with one of the bananas that grow on the jungle trees. We'll need some more curved lines for that. Ready? Curve down and around. And again on the other side. Curve down and around. Now some little straight lines at the top. And some more at the bottom. And one more curved line down the middle. There, 1 banana. Why don't you colour yours in while I squiggle the rest of the jungle? Wow! There are lots beautiful things for you to paint here, Hiraldo. But where is everyone?
They must be getting ready for the art competition.
He's coming! He's coming!
Who's coming?
Mooneye, the famous artist. He's flying in to judge our art competition.
Monet, really?
I must finish my painting before he gets here.
Wow! That's a beautiful picture, Harry.
Oh, thank you, Squiglet.
Oh, I haven't painted anything at all yet. Oh, where's my paintbrush?
Don't worry, we can help. Shall we squiggle a paintbrush for Hiraldo? Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. We can use our curved line again to squiggle the handle. Ready? Curve down and around. And again on the other side. Curve down and around. Now for the bristles. Curve up and over. And curve down and around. Lastly, 2 curved lines. I'm colouring my paintbrush in brown and red. What colour are you going to make yours? There, 1 paintbrush.
Thanks, everyone.
What are you going to paint, Hiraldo?
I know. I'll try painting the waterfall. Oh, it's come out as a banana. Oh, I knew I wasn't any good at painting.
Try painting me, Hiraldo. I don't look anything like a banana.
OK.
It doesn't look much like me, but it's a beautiful banana, Hiraldo.
Oh, but I don't want to paint bananas.
Ah, magnifique! Everything is so beautiful here. I feel quite moved.
Hello, I'm Squiglet. You must be Mooney.
Yes, it is I, Mooney, the famous artist. I've travelled all over the world, but I've never seen such a beautiful jungle and such a lovely airport.
Airport?
Yes, I just flew in, and the jungle airport is spectacular, with little planes all moving around.
Squiglet, I've had an idea. Mooney loves the airport. Maybe if I paint it for him, I'll win the art competition.
Good idea, Hiraldo. But we'll have to hurry. Come on. What are you going to paint, Hiraldo?
Oh, an aeroplane.
Can you paint an aeroplane when it's going past so quickly, Hiraldo?
I'm not sure.
Oh, it's very colourful.
Do you think so? It's a bit of a mess. Oh, I wish there was a way to make it look really special.
Don't worry, Hiraldo. Let's see if we can get a clue from the squiggle pad. Can you spot a way to help Hiraldo make his painting look really special? Look at that. Inigo has made a beautiful picture.
Has it? It's a fish. Should we put it in a frame?
His mum is putting it into a frame so it can be put on display.
Great.
That frame makes Inigo's picture look really special. Did you spot a way that Hiraldo could make his painting look really special?
A picture frame. I could put my painting in a picture frame. Oh, but I don't have a frame, and it's almost time for the competition.
Don't worry, we can squiggle a frame for you. Have you got your squiggle pads and squiggle sticks ready? Let's get squiggling. Let's all squiggle a picture frame. We'll need some more curved lines for that. Ready? Curve down and up. Then down and around. Curve up and over. Then up and around. We need some straight lines for the inside. Across, down, across, and up. And last of all, a bumpy line all the way around to make the frame look really special. I'm going to colour my frame in gold. What colour are you going to make yours? There, one picture frame.
Thanks, everyone. Now I can enter my painting in the competition.
We'd better hurry. Come on.
Beautiful! They are all so beautiful.
I've finished my painting too, Mooney. Am I too late?
Oh, please, show us. What a brilliant banana.
No, it's an amazing aeroplane.
No, it is the very best boomerang I have ever seen.
You're all right. It looks like a big banana, an amazing aeroplane, and a brilliant boomerang.
Even I can't paint three things at the same time. Hiraldo, you are the winner of the Jungle Art Competition.
Hooray! What a lovely trophy, made from 10 delicious bananas. Well done, Hiraldo.
I'm going to share them with all my friends. I love bananas, and now I love painting too.
Being an artist is great fun. Why don't you join in with our song? We all love art, it's fun to make. Painting a curly-whirly snake. A big round sun up in the sky. Or a pretty butterfly. Grab yourself a clean paintbrush. Splish, splash, splosh, no need to rush. Red, blue, yellow, pink and green. The prettiest colours I've ever seen. We all love art, it's fun to make. Painting a yummy chocolate cake. A happy friend with a smiley face. A rocket flying into space. Grab yourself a clean paintbrush. Splish, splash, splosh, no need to rush. Red, blue, yellow, pink and green. The prettiest colours I've ever seen. Painting is fun, especially in the jungle. Thanks for all your squiggles. It's time to go now. But come back to get squiggling soon. Keep on squiggling. Bye!